This is Eric Leung on May 13, 2021. Good morning, stock markets. Dow Jones right now at this time, New York time is about 2:43 p.m. Dow Jones is 34131, up by about 543 points. And if you look at the screen, I got upward supporting line right here. And today Dow Jones is on top of this supporting line, and it seems that Dow Jones will go horizontally in next few days, and then will start to go up again. This is my forecast. Okay, well, S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500 is 4123 today, and it's up by 60 points. And if you look at the diagram, the S&P 500 is also on top of this blue color upward supporting line. Okay, and similarly, okay, I expect that in the next 1 or 2 weeks, S&P 500 will go horizontally, and sometime maybe one or few days it will go a little bit lower, but it will stay on top of this upwarding supporting line. And this line actually on the screen is blue color. Okay, how about Nasdaq? Nasdaq is 13161, up by 129 points today. And if you have no supporting line, nothing here, it's very difficult to see whether it's going up or down in the future. Let me refresh the screen, then you'll see my analysis. And after I draw some supporting lines and analysis, then it will be much more clear. Right now, Nasdaq is right here, okay, at 13151, which is on top of the supporting line of 12963. And last 2 days, it just stopped right on top of this supporting lines. So I do expect that next 1 or 2 days, Nasdaq will stay on top of this line 12963. But however, just watch out if Nasdaq drop below this 12963 supporting line, then you'll go further down, and then the next supporting line will be around 12,400 and 400 points. Okay, but most likely I do expect that you will stay on top of this red color line right now for next few days. Okay, so after taking a look of the US market, you'll find out that I do expect that the US market will stay quite stable on next few days, and the short-term dropping, okay, or adjustment, I would say, should be come to an end at this moment. Okay, well, then how about Taiwan market? Taiwan market is very fluctuated quite a lot last few days, and quite scary to a lot of Asian investors. But if you look at the diagram in front of you, you'll find out that I expect the Taiwan market, okay, will stay on top of about 16,000 points. Okay, most likely I would say this is medium price. Most of the time will stay at on top of 16000. But however, in the short run, maybe next few days, okay, you stay in between S1 and S2. That means you stay in between 15,000 and 16,000 points. Okay, fluctuate a few days in this area, and then you'll go up back to 16,000. So for people expect that, or hopefully they forecast that Taiwan market will go further down a lot. Okay, I do not have the same idea. Hang Seng Index. Okay, this is Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index. Okay, if you look at the diagram, okay, look at my forecast. This is area 1 on top. This is area 2. And I expect that Hang Seng Index will stay at area 2 for a short period of time, maybe 1 or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And it's not so easy for Hang Seng Index to go back on top of 28,260 points. Okay, quite difficult to go back to the upper level. So that if you are buying the Hong Kong stocks, then you have to be, watch out about this. Most likely it will stay at this region, okay, unless China has special economic policy to stimulate the local markets and the economy in China. Otherwise, okay, the Hong Kong stock markets will not as good as Taiwan, Singapore, and other area. Today is, I would say, good morning to everybody. This is about US market, Taiwan market, and also the Hong Kong market. For the rest of the other markets, I will talk about them in details during weekend. Thanks for watching. This is Eric Leung on May 13.